Yo, haha, Miltnificent.
What is good, YouTube? Your boy Miltnificent coming back with another review, and today I want to go over the whole QUINEAR Leg Massager, and this actually has heat. I'm going to say that this has 3 different heat levels, so if you are looking at this or you're looking to get this on Amazon, I will say this, that if you have it at its highest level, because I actually already used this, and this is why I'm doing a review, to kind of get my input, what I feel about this device and how it can be beneficial to you. This has 3 different levels of, I want to say, of tension, right? So what's happening is when you use this device, it has airbags in it that compress, and then it decompresses over time. And basically the whole exercise is 20 minutes and is geared to target pretty much 3 areas in your body: your foot, your calf, and your thigh. And what it does is it has different types of exercises that you can do and pretty much in 20 minutes. And what it does is it'll shut on, shut off, but it targets these areas by creating blood flow, help creating that whole relaxation in your muscles. So if you feel tense, especially if you're a person that sits at your desk non-stop all day like I do, they have a mode called sequence mode. Then there's also circulation mode, and then there's a combination mode where it combines both of those exercises together. So sequence mode, which I think this is mode 1 if I'm not mistaken, it pretty much starts off at the thigh level. You'll see kind of what I'm talking about right here, but it starts at your thigh, then it works towards your foot and the lower calf portion. And when you go into combination mode, it kind of takes the combination of mode 1 and mode 2, or circular mode, I should say. When you go to circular mode, what it does is doing the same thing. It targets the thigh first, then it goes towards the foot, as well as the upper and the lower calf. So it's kind of doing it all at once. And then after a while, you see it going back and forth. And this thing is pretty much amazing. But combination mode basically takes mode 1, which is circular mode, and sequence mode, puts it all together, and it just, you will not be disappointed. I will say that to say this: anybody, if you have plantar fasciitis, if you have any foot issues, this is something that will definitely be beneficial to you. If you're an athlete, like I said before, if you're somebody that sits at your desk and you're looking for kind of that stress reliever in your body, especially the lower leg area, this will be the perfect device for you. In terms of the heat, there are 3 different heat settings, and even at its highest, it's not too hot, as long as, you know, depending on if whatever you're wearing in terms of layers. Like if you go straight skin, I think you'll feel the heat more. If you have like jogger pants or something like that, thin jogger pants, and you use this device, you're going to feel it even at its highest level, but it's not to the point where it's too hot. It's like just enough. And of course, it has 3 different tension levels. So I would suggest, if you get this product and you pull it out the box for the first time, consider going at the lowest level in terms of the heat and the tension, because you want to kind of get a feel of what type of exercise that you're going to get, because it takes about, I want to say, anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds for your, for these airbags that actually built in this device to kind of compress and decompress before you can actually feel the circular flow, or at least the heat flow going in there. So I will say start at the lowest level. It's usually low, mid, and high for both heat and the tension, and then find that mode that'll be kind of right for you. I'll put it this way: if you're a runner and you're out and about, definitely start in circular mode. And if you are somebody who sits at your desk a lot, you want to do sequence. But if you want that full, exercise, definitely go for the combination at its highest setting, depending on what you can handle. So as I said right here, you can see on the box, pretty much everything I pretty much talked about, but it definitely does about 20 minutes. It takes about 20 minutes for this operation, or this flow, these intervals that you'll feel with the decompression and the compression of these airbags kind of just going against your skin. And it feels kind of like you would go to a doctor, right? You wrapped around your arm and you sit there and they're pumping it up. It's kind of that same feeling, but it's happening just over and over again, along with the massage and the heat. So let me show you real quick. One of the things that, let me pull this out. This actually has a kind of like a carrying case. So it's easy to pretty much to store, and it's pretty much easy to put together actually. So let me just take this out and show you exactly what comes with this. I'm not going to go too deep into it because again, I took this out and actually used it for myself. But this is pretty much the sleeve, and I'll say when you put this on for the first time, my suggestion, don't do it standing up. Sit down, it'll be much easier because the idea is that when you put your leg and you're sitting down and you put this on, this will be pretty much the top because this is basically going to wrap around your thigh, and then this is going to go pretty much, you just put your foot in here and you're pretty much going to, it's pretty easy, pretty much just going to zip this up, and your foot, it will be enclosed in this, it will be secured tight. But put this out here, this is Velcro, so this will definitely just go around your thigh, and it does have its own kind of like, I'd say like its own power cord outlet. For those that are wondering, you know, how to put this together, it's not actually really hard. Let me just put this right here because it also comes with the power cord, which they suggest that you can go into a power outlet just like straight to the wall. But kind of get to that momentarily, but let me take out the rest of the stuff. But then you also have the controller. Now, this controller will power up, doesn't require a battery or anything like that because the power adapter, let me show you how simple this is. This is the controller that I was talking about in terms of the modes. You'll see a demonstration right here. This is how you can control the modes between the sequences that I talked about earlier. For this, you'll basically control the heat, and then this controls the tension, at least the amount of compression and decompression you're going to get, because it can get really intense and really tight really quick, even at its highest level. And of course, when you hold down this is the power button. At the bottom, you'll notice that it's going to look like this. And it's pretty simple to put together when you take it out the box. The power adapter, at least the power cord, is going to go at the bottom. You can see it right here. And you don't have to worry about at least each sleeve because there's two sleeves. This is the left, and you can tell that this is the left because it's actually marked if I can actually find it. You'll see it right here. You can't mess this up. This will be L for left. If you take out the second one, which I'll take out momentarily, and this is the right leg sleeve that it comes with, and this will have R on it. Just basically kind of the same thing. Difference is one will be on the left, one will be on the right. In terms of the actual cord that comes with the actual sleeve, you can see right there, it's pretty much connected. It also has R on there, so you can't really mess this up. But the idea is that this is going to go into the actual controller. So we've already put the power cord in here, and how you put this on, it'll tell you that this goes up. So, you know, the controller's right here. Make sure that this is facing up, and then it slides right in. You'll know it's the right way just because of this kind of like indent right here. When you kind of, and I'll show you a video, but there's no way for you to do it in reverse. So you'll know this will snap here, and then you can take the other one, which I think I'll put down here somewhere. You can take the other one and then connect this. Put that in there, and then it'll look like this when it's all said and done. So I felt like this is definitely going to be something like, again, if you're looking for a device to help with blood flow, or at least the circulation method, this is definitely going to be a stress reliever towards your muscles to help you ease those tense, or at least the stress that you might put, depending on what you do in your day-to-day. If you're at the office, if you're exercising or running like that, and you're looking to kind of get that looseness in your muscles, or at least some relaxation, definitely consider this. After using this, and I tried 3 different modes, so 20 minutes. So I was on this for about 60 minutes. And I can say right now, best 60 minutes you'll ever feel. It feels so relaxed. I actually fell asleep momentarily during one of the exercises because it was so relaxing towards my legs. And it's something that I will not regret, and you will not either if you choose to get this product. So your boy Miltnificent, man, listen, comment below, let me know what you think about the whole QUINEAR Leg Massager. But this is what I was talking about in terms of, let me take this out. This is what I was talking about in terms of its capability. But the airbags that I was speaking of, they pretty much exist kind of at the thigh level. So you'll kind of feel it right here, beating against the back of your thigh. And the same thing goes for the airbags that you'll feel think it's in 4 different areas on the lower level. So there's probably 1 right here, 2 right here, and 1 that exists right here that expands out, in and out, in and out. It's one of the best feelings that I've had to have it target 3 different areas where you're going to need it. You cannot go wrong. Your boy Miltnificent, man. I am out. The QUINEAR Leg Massager, 3-in-1. Definitely worth the buy if you're willing to try it. I am out. And you guys, stay blessed.